will talk about how can you create new group on your Getcontact app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so it's going to show for your inverse like this here. Then you click here on chat. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here in this sign. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on new group. So then here you select your contacts. Then it's going to, so when you select your contacts here, click in this sign, then it's going to create with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe here to create new group. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.